on, everybody? So race cars down. I was getting some weird clutch issue with the pedal, and it would go all the way down, and it would go. You can disengage the fork. You can go into first, second gear, but it'll stop halfway, and the rest dead space, like about more than half, is just empty space. So it felt like the pressure wasn't building. So I looked further. If you can see this rod, look at that. Look how much play that thing has. I don't know. Seems like it failed right here. Because I have the OEM one. And, you know, I'm just documenting as I go, as I figure things out. You know, this can happen to anybody. So I have the new OEM master cylinder. Okay guys, so I got the master cylinder out of the package, and this is what it looks like. G35 350Z. So look how smooth this engagement is. Like look at that. Or like something in this area here. This looks like one of the seals for the piston looks like it failed or something. Maybe internally. So car never runs always 100%. There's always something. You know, it's great on video for a clip, 10-second clip, and then, you know, there's other things that people don't document like this. So for this one, it's sick because OEM has a little knurling here, and you can just, like a tie rod, and you would just like adjust it from here, loosening this nut, locking nut, and that's it. But it's already preset. So it has 4 threads there. So I'm just gonna leave it at that. Guys, I've been running this. I'm just going to be changing to the GTR .4 brake fluid. So, you know, there's more heat underneath the car due to the wastegate single turbo setup. So hopefully, you know, this will make it better. So guys, this is the old master cylinder, the Tilton. And this is what it looks like. So I'm pushing down. You can hear that. You can hear that. It's inside, it's failed. I don't know if you guys, the camera will pick it up, but right there. It's on the bench bleed. We're about to bench bleed it here on the vise. So, yeah. After bench bleeding, we're going to be putting it in. By the way, I just want to let you guys know, this is the banjo bolt that I'm going to be using. So it's not the same exact one. This is a caliper banjo bolt from the G35. I have a couple of these spares hanging around. So same copper washer, both sides, and then it fits perfectly, no leaks. And yeah, this is the size that you need to run that, because I'm running a 1 line stainless steel braided line. I'm still going to be using that, just switching out the actual master cylinder assembly right here. Also guys, so this is the part that I was waiting on for so long, the clutch hose off Z1. It's an OEM. And this is the old one. It's brittle and it's actually shorter. They had to cut it to match it on the aftermarket Tilton Master. This is like 3-4 years ago. The car is driving mint. Actually better than before. Everything's normal now. Yeah, man. Car's driving really good. I just did a couple pulls and it's shifting fine. We back. G35 single turbo. It's a little bit cold. Perfect for boost weather though. Car loves it. One of my boys, Killer BVQ, just got tune, rear mount turbo setup on that, built by GRN Performance on the kit. So it's gonna be quite interesting checking out the car. I might get a ride along in it and get a video clip for you guys and review it a little bit. It is nighttime, so he just got off the dyno literally just now. Quite interesting how the rear mount setup is gonna behave compared to a mid mount or a top mount, whatever it is. But I'm used to the mid mount because that's what I have. So it's gonna be quite interesting how it's gonna play out. Headquarters. All see delete. Damn. This is sick.
I still gotta hold up.
My boy's 350Z. Just wrapped it. What do you guys think about the color? Yeah. Oh, we got a fucking another boosted guy. Look at this. Is. What's up, bro? Congrats. Thanks. Congrats, man. Congrats. How's it feel, man?
You wanna hop in?
Sure, I'm down. I'm down.
Back in the game.